this is probably the best mouse that Logitech has ever made. What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this mouse right here, which is Logitech's MX Master 3S. It is an ergonomically designed mouse. So that's one of my favorite things about this. So when you are using it here, it's gonna feel so good in your hand. I absolutely love how good this feels in your hand. You can see it has a very thick overall bump, and I really like that. It's also decently heavy at 141 grams. So again, you know, it's gonna feel really good just moving around on the desk. I really, really like how this feels in my hand. Now, this is going to be a fully wireless mouse. So it does come with the little USB receiver here. This is 2.4 gigahertz. But if you look on the back, there's actually a button there, and that allows you to connect up to 3 different devices. So you can connect the number 1 there to the 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, and then 2 and 3 you can connect via Bluetooth. So this is just going to be a Bluetooth mouse, so you don't need a dongle for other devices. So you can connect the USB to your PC, and then you can connect the 2 and 3 to something like an iPad, a laptop, whatever it may be, a tablet. You can connect those. So I really like that, and you can switch between devices extremely easily. Now, when it comes to our buttons here, we have our 2 main buttons here, and they feel really good, and they're silent. Like, I'll try to put this by the mic, but these are very, very silent. So if you are using this in an office setting, it's gonna feel really good. Between those, you have the scroll wheel, and this is one of my favorite scroll wheels that you're gonna find on a mouse because it allows you to do this. Like, the infinite scroll is so awesome. So if you're on a page and you need to go all the way to the bottom or all the way to the top, you just go like that, and it goes so fast. One of the few mice that actually have the infinite scroll, so I really, really like that. You have a button in the middle here that will switch between your DPI levels, but of course you can program all of the buttons on this mouse. On the side, it has something that you don't find on a lot of mice, and that is the vertical scroll or the horizontal scroll, a side scroll here. So when you're using this, I'll try to do it so you guys can see, but I would scroll like this, and it just, like, again, if you're in a document and you need to go side to side, or you're editing a photo and you need to go side to side, this side scroll is just absolutely awesome to have. So you have that there. And then you do have back and forward buttons. Again, you can fully reprogram these. And then there is this little hidden button right here. You press it in and you can kind of feel the tactility of it. This is really cool. So, you know, by default, they have it set so if you press this in and then swipe left or right, you go between your different desktops, and I really, really like that feature. But it's nice to just have it there. It's not this big pronounced button, but you can really make full use of it. So I really, really like that. Now, on the front here, we have our Type-C for charging, and this mouse is actually going to give you up to 70 days on a full charge. So that's really awesome. So it's not like you're going to have to plug this in every night. 70 days on a full charge. And if you're using the included USB cable, you actually can charge this. Say it's completely dead, you can plug it in just for 1 minute, and that's going to give you 3 hours of battery life. So that is completely awesome here as well. But this is just so comfortable, and like I said, it's one of the best mice that Logitech has ever made. I love using this. Incredibly comfortable. So if you are looking for a new mouse, this is one that I would definitely recommend.